Welcome to our step-by-step user guide on placing a Spectrum BuyFlow order in CableFinder. Let's dive right in. Enter your desired address and start by clicking the search button. This will trigger the Spectrum BuyFlow API and fetch the serviceability results for the address. Once the address qualifies, click Configure Pricing. Select the commissions plan. If this option is locked, it means your TSD has already applied the commission plan to your account. Sales ID note: your Spectrum BuyFlow sales ID is already entered into your CableFinder user profile. If you have never sold Spectrum before, be sure to reach out to your TSD to get a sales ID created. Use the drop-down to select yes or no based on your customer's situation. If no is selected, you can start building your bundle. If yes, you'll need to provide the estimated viewing occupancy. If the address is a multiple dwelling unit or an MDU, then additional information will be required to qualify the address. If the multiple dwelling unit pop-up does not appear, continue to the next step. Locate the address in the provided list. If the list is extensive, use the search box to find the suite or unit number. Alternatively, you can select Manual Address to enter the address manually. Click the drop-down to select the type and enter the unit or suite number. Remember, if you bypass the address, post-sale validation will be required, which may delay your order. Select the relevant drop-downs to build a bundle tailored to your customer's needs. The more selections you make, the more filtered packages will be available. Click the drop-down to view all available packages. If a bundle was not built, all pricing and packages will display. Package details will automatically adjust based on your selections. Any required information will be highlighted in red. The quote and place order buttons will be grayed out until all necessary information is filled. A $5 discount for auto pay will apply automatically. To opt out, toggle the switch, and a $5 charge will be added. Choose the desired installation fee. Review the shopping cart details. NRC stands for non-recurring charges, and MRC stands for monthly recurring charges. Click Generate Quote to create a downloadable PDF quote. Enter the registered business name and quote name. Make sure to label it clearly for easy identification later. You can also send the quote directly to your customer via email. Click Place Order to continue. Fill in the general customer information, ensuring the address is accurate, including the suite or unit number. In our example, the suite automatically carried over to the customer information. However, if there's no unit or suite number, confirm by clicking the box to proceed. Use the button named same as customer info, if applicable, to autofill that information. Provide the billing information on the next page. If voice services were added, either provide the phone number to port or continue with a new native. If porting a number, enter the preferred phone number and click Verify. Select any additional authorized users from the drop-down and enter their contact information. Add any ordering notes and click Place Order to finalize the order in Spectrum BuyFlow. If pay in advance is required, you'll see a pop-up to enter a tax ID or social security number. If not, proceed to select installation options. Choose the installation option that best fits your customer. If applicable, select primary and secondary installation dates and times. Review your order details and click Confirm Order. This automates your order into Spectrum BuyFlow's system. After submitting your order, you'll receive a pop-up with your order ID. An email confirmation with the order details will also be sent. You'll receive an email from CableFinder confirming your Spectrum order, detailing account information and installation information. The Spectrum RCM will also be copied on this email. Expect another confirmation from my account at spectrumemails.com if your order successfully automates. If the order doesn't automate, you'll receive an email to call in for scheduling. Thank you for watching. If you have additional questions, please reach out to your TSD. Be sure to follow CableFinder on LinkedIn for real-time updates on new features and carrier additions. Happy selling!